Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Krita. First, understand that resizing an image changes its pixel dimensions. This affects the overall size and resolution of your artwork, which means this isn't the same as resizing your canvas. Krita keeps your layers intact while resizing the whole image. To resize your image, go to the top menu and click Image, then Scale Image to new size. You can also press Ctrl-Alt-I on your keyboard to open this dialog quickly. In the Scale Image dialog that opens, you'll see fields for width and height. Enter the new pixel dimensions you want. If you want to keep the original proportions, make sure the chain link icon between the width and height is linked. Clicking it toggles whether the aspect ratio is maintained. Below that, you'll often see an option for resolution. Adjusting this can change how the image prints physically without altering pixel count. But for screen use, you can leave it at your desired value. Once you're happy with the new width, height, and resolution, click OK. Krita will apply the change and scale the entire image up or down while keeping your layers and artwork intact. And that's how you resize an image in Krita. Thanks for watching.